I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making South Carolina Lowcountry red rice. Now I've already given y'all a recipe for the red rice in the Instant Pot, but we're doing this one in the oven. But it is going to start out on the stove top. So what I've got here is I've got some smoked sausage, onion, and bell pepper that I'm going to add to about, let me add a little bit more, a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're having smoke issues, but that's okay. These are ground up fine. What I did with the smoked sausage is it's 2 smoked sausage, a favorite smoked sausage that we use here in the area, called Roger Wood. And I used 2 of the links, and I just cut them, I quartered them, then sliced them. You don't need a whole lot, this is only going to be bacon. So, while we're waiting on this to do its thing, let me show you what else I've got. I've got 4 cups of chicken broth. This is chicken broth that I made with the Knorrs chicken bouillon. 2 cups of parboiled rice. Make sure you use parboiled rice. I've got some salt and pepper and a 6-ounce can and a 6-ounce of tomato paste. So, okay, this is taking forever. I'm not going to finish it. I'm going to get these going a little bit, and then we'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, these have been going, my eyes are watering. So this time I'm going to add the tomato paste. I did turn the burner down a little bit, because this is the last part of it. You know, red rice is very popular here, and there's a lot of recipes as well. But you know, they all end up basically the same. If you want spicy smoked sausage, use spicy smoked sausage. As you know, we don't do the spicy very well. Now I'm turning this, just stirring this tomato sauce together. Okay, now I'm going to add my rice and just stir it in. This is 2 cups. So the ratio for rice, you know, I usually cook mine in the rice steamer, is you need liquid, double the liquid. So that's where I have the 4 cups of chicken broth. At this time you can add salt and pepper. I'm just going to add pepper because I'm using that bouillon that I think is pretty salty. So, okay, don't forget to get the spoon in there. That's the best part of it. That's the extra thing that goes with it. I'm going to scrape down these sides. My husband was pointing that out to me. Alright, I'm going to put this lid on, and I'm going to put it in my 350-degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, and we'll bring you back. Alright, our red rice is done. I did need to change my time to about 45-50 minutes. When it's done, fluff it up. But, oh, I tasted it, and it tastes so good. Alright guys, our Lowcountry, South Carolina Lowcountry red rice is done. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And when you subscribe, hit that bell for all notifications, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up, and share it on your social media. Alright guys, everything's ready. Bye.